Hello everyone, I'm Oliver and today I'm presenting Proxima Capital, an automated trading startup. Markets have been a key driver of societal growth in the last 100 years. They allow for efficient allocation of resources and for people within society to position themselves where they will contribute the most value to others. However, despite these major benefits, there are still significant drawbacks today. There are over 1.7 billion unbanked people without access to basic financial services. If you cannot access savings and credits, it is very difficult to lift your life out of poverty. We see blockchains and distributed finance as major drivers of an open and permissionless financial ecosystem. Within this ecosystem, our role will to enable radical automation and to bridge global markets. A simple example of how we can bridge markets can be given from two sellers of tomatoes. One is selling tomatoes at $2, the other at $1 each. You and your friend set up at each store and communicate prices with each other. Your friend will offer to the customers of the $2 tomato seller $1.90 per tomato. Once he has sold all 10 tomatoes, you can then buy back the 10 tomatoes at $1 each at the cheaper store. For the customers of the $2 store, they have saved 10 cents per tomato, and for yourself, you have made a $9 profit or 90 cents per tomato. This simple example is what we do on a much larger scale throughout the global cryptocurrency markets. Today, we are connected to 5 exchanges and use these 5 exchanges to attribute fair value to each asset. We then quote prices that are 5 to 10 basis points worse than the fair value, such that we can make a profit on almost every trade, but still improve the price at which smaller traders execute. Over the last 6 months, we have generated a 296% gross return, amounting to 185,000 Australian dollars in profits after fees. This profit is split amongst the management company Proxima and the fund investors. In addition to the strong track record and early traction, we have also just closed our funding round of $1 million Australian dollars. We have managed to raise from 2 notable and relevant investors. One is the owner of a global quant trading firm based out of Sydney, and the other is the owner and founder of a $40 billion fund based out of New York. Today, we are looking for people to join us on our journey to redefine the future of finance. We are looking for strong software developers with a passion for building scalable and reliable systems. If you know someone who fits this profile, please refer them to us and we'd be more than happy to welcome them to the team. Thank you.